weed wisdom for you today. All right, so these plants and this grass is growing amongst my strawberries and also beans and tomatoes. Gonna have a little snack here. You can see these already have seeds on them. So does this grass. So when I pick it, I'm gonna leave it here to dry out rather than put it straight in my compost. You'll notice I already have some grasses here. These don't have seeds on. But here's the thing I've learned from spending a lot of time with plants. You can pick a plant and I guess it's technically dead, or maybe not. So you think it's dead because you're like, oh, I picked it out of the ground. I'm going to put it in a pile. It's going to die now. It will die. But many things like grasses and some other things that we call weeds has the ability, after you pick it, to suddenly change everything so that it's producing seeds and throw out a bunch of seeds, even though when you picked it, there were no seeds there. Not every plant can do this, but many plants, especially some grasses, can. So this is why I don't put grass in my compost until it's well and dead. And there are some grasses, they can look entirely dead. And so I never put them in my compost because I forget one. If you have it in your yard, you would know. I mean, if you know plants. There's one grass that even a little piece of it, even if it gets dried out, once it gets wet and in a good spot again, it'll just repopulate and regenerate and start all over again. I spotted a little bug. I'm going to show right there. This, I think, also applies to life. Sometimes even after you rip something out, or you think you've weeded out what you need to weed out, you still need some diligence after that. You still need to make sure weeds don't come back. Be aware of what you put where you weeded it out. I mean, a super basic analogy is if I declutter my room and I don't put the stuff in my trunk to take to the charity shop, I've weeded it out of where it was, but I didn't put it in the new home yet. The other area of life that I want us to think about this is just the amazing potential of plants. I've got a takeaway from this, but you probably have one too. So I'm going to let you think about it. My takeaway is, my first takeaway, something can look like it's dead and gone and it's still got the power. Oh man, I mean, that's with everything, right? Like in science, there's no end of anything. It's just a transfer of energy. We're all just like looping it around and changing it and transforming it and changing it again. And then with people, you know, and with your life, this can be a lot of different things. It could be, oh, hi, kitty. It could be the impact someone has on your life even after they're gone, or the sticking power of ideas, and that the persistence of something. You think it's gone, you think it's over, and it's got the ability to transform even after you grab it by the roots, and then it's putting out new seeds. So some things are tenacious. Some things are tenacious. We call those weeds. And it can be problematic. But there's other tenacious things that you want to be tenacious in your life, that you want to stick around and hold on and sustain and regenerate and repopulate. And there's some that you don't. If this is sparking within you, I've got 2 courses you can buy right away that will probably interest you. One is called Get Grounded. It's a 28-day program. It'll come in your email box that gets you out in nature every day, noticing what you see around you, tracking it, grounding in, feeling peaceful, feeling calm, feeling amazing. And then the other one is Intro to Organic Gardening. Super easy. It takes my 25 plus years of knowledge and gets it easy for you to start your own organic garden today. Either of those you can buy automatically and dive in today. See you in the next video.